In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the best YouTube TV free trial offers to maximize your savings. YouTube TV occasionally runs promotions that extend the standard 7-day or 14-day free trial or include additional perks like premium add-ons at no extra cost. To find these deals, start by visiting the official YouTube TV website or app and checking their current offers during the sign-up process. You can also look for promotional codes or discounts by searching online for terms like YouTube TV free trial offers or current YouTube TV deals. Keep an eye on trusted tech blogs, coupon websites, or even social media platforms, as they often share exclusive promotions. Additionally, check your email inbox if you've previously signed up for Google or YouTube newsletters, as special offers are sometimes sent directly to subscribers. Always read the fine print to understand the trial length, pricing after the trial, and any conditions. If this video helped you find the best YouTube TV free trial offers, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.